Hello mystery lovers and welcome to Unveilix. This is the first video on the channel, diving into the greatest unsolved mysteries in history. So let's get started. The Bermuda Triangle, often called the Devil's Triangle, is one of the most enduring mysteries on Earth. This triangular region between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico has been the site of countless disappearances of ships and planes, sparking intrigue and speculation for over a century. One of the most famous cases is the 1945 disappearance of Flight 19, a group of 5 U.S. Navy Avenger bombers on a training mission. After reporting strange navigation issues, the planes vanished, and the rescue plane sent to find them also disappeared without a trace. Despite extensive searches, no wreckage was ever found. This incident is just one of many. Ships have been found adrift with no crew aboard, while others vanished entirely. Some pilots have reported strange instrument malfunctions and unusual weather phenomena moments before disappearing. Theories about the Bermuda Triangle are as varied as they are fascinating. Scientists suggest natural explanations, such as rogue waves, massive, sudden waves capable of sinking ships. Methane gas eruptions. These could destabilize the water, causing vessels to sink. Magnetic anomalies. Unusual magnetic behavior in the area may disrupt navigation systems. On the other hand, some theories delve into the supernatural. Alien activity, believed by some to involve abductions or extraterrestrial interference. Time warps. A portal to another dimension or a disruption in time itself. Atlantis. Some think advanced technology from the fabled lost city lies beneath the triangle. Skeptics argue that the Bermuda Triangle's reputation is overblown, citing the heavy traffic in the region and attributing disappearances to human error, storms, or other mundane causes. Still, its mystery persists, inspiring countless books, documentaries, and debates. Will we ever uncover the truth behind the Bermuda Triangle, or will it remain one of the ocean's greatest secrets? For now, it stands as a compelling legend, drawing both skeptics and believers alike. The next mystery is Atlantis, the legendary city mentioned by the Greek philosopher Plato in his writings. In those texts, Plato describes Atlantis as a great and wealthy continent, filled with knowledge and advanced technology. However, at some point, the city completely disappeared into the sea after a massive natural disaster. What's puzzling is that many thinkers believe this story might be more than just a myth. Today, scientists wonder, was Atlantis a historical reality? Did it really sink into the sea? Some studies suggest that the island of Santorini in the Mediterranean might actually be the ancient Atlantis. Another explanation claims that Atlantis was located in the Atlantic Ocean, and perhaps the advanced technology of that city led to its collapse. If Atlantis was real, what could it mean for us today? As the search continues, Atlantis remains one of the greatest legends, accompanied by many questions that still await answers. On March 8, 2014, Malaysian flight MH370 disappeared in an incident that shook the world. The plane was on a flight from Kuala Lumpur to Beijing, carrying 239 passengers. Suddenly, contact with the plane was lost, and it vanished without leaving any clear trace. Despite extensive search efforts across vast areas of the Indian Ocean, no debris has been found to answer the questions surrounding this mysterious puzzle. What happened to the plane? Was it a technical malfunction, or did the plane fall victim to a terrorist act? There are many theories about the plane's disappearance, such as hijacking or severe technical damage that led to system failure. But why did the plane continue flying for more than 6 hours after losing contact? Many researchers are still searching for clues that might solve this mystery. However, to this day, Malaysian flight MH370 remains one of the greatest aviation mysteries in the history of air travel. If you have ever seen strange lights in the sky, you might wonder, what is their source? Are they natural phenomena or something unconventional? The lights that have appeared in various places around the world often spark awe and curiosity, raising many questions. One of the most famous of these phenomena is the mysterious light that appeared over the Bermuda Triangle in the Caribbean Sea. Over the years, many incidents have been documented involving bright lights that suddenly appear in the sky. It is said that the lights begin to appear at night and last for several minutes before disappearing. What adds to the mystery is that these lights cannot be explained by any known atmospheric phenomenon. The aurora borealis has been suggested as one explanation, as this natural phenomenon causes lights to appear in polar regions. However, what happens in the Bermuda Triangle is something different. Strange lights have been recorded in remote areas, such as the deserts of Africa and South America, far from polar regions. Others believe that these lights could be UFOs or signs of extraterrestrial life, while some suggest that there are undiscovered atmospheric phenomena that could be responsible for these lights. For example, ball lightning is a rare form of lightning that appears in a spherical shape and tends to move through the air. Although many scientists believe that these phenomena might be linked to reactive gases or electromagnetic events, the question remains, are they merely natural phenomena, or is there something more behind them? The next mystery comes from Easter Island in the Pacific Ocean, and it is the Rongorongo stone, which bears strange inscriptions that scientists have been unable to decipher to this day. This stone was discovered in the 19th century and is part of a collection of stone tablets containing unknown symbols and inscriptions. Some scientists believe that these inscriptions might be an ancient writing system used by the inhabitants of Easter Island, but no one has managed to decode it so far. Opinions differ on the origin of these inscriptions. Are they a way to record history, or are there hidden messages with sacred meanings? Some researchers believe that Rongorongo was a writing system used to document myths and religious rituals, while others think it might carry complex messages detailing the culture of Easter Island's inhabitants, which we have yet to uncover. Even with significant advancements in astronomy and anthropology, Rongorongo continues to elude scientists. The inscriptions consist of geometric symbols and parallel lines that have never been interpreted, making it one of the most challenging and intriguing mysteries to unravel. Now we move on to one of the greatest and most remarkable engineering achievements in human history, the Pyramids of Egypt. Despite being one of the wonders of the ancient world, the pyramids are surrounded by a great mystery regarding how these colossal structures were built. The pyramids, especially the Great Pyramid of Giza, were constructed using massive stone blocks, some weighing over 2.5 tons. The question arises, how did the ancient Egyptians manage to transport these enormous blocks to great heights without the advanced tools we have today? One theory suggests that the ancient Egyptians used ramps or towers to move the stones, but no one knows exactly how they maintained the incredible engineering precision of these structures. Some believe that there are lost techniques we have yet to discover. There are also many questions about why the pyramids were built and the purpose behind their unique design. Some think the pyramids were more than just royal tombs. They might have been spiritual symbols or even energy portals, as proposed by researchers in the field of unexplained phenomena. The big unanswered question remains, did the ancient Egyptians possess advanced secret technologies? Did they have supernatural knowledge or tools that we have yet to understand? Or could there have been mysterious forces behind their ability to construct such monumental landmarks? In the summer of 1908, a mysterious explosion occurred in Siberia, specifically in the Tunguska region, marking the largest non-nuclear explosion in human history. The blast devastated an area spanning over 2,000 square kilometers of forest, yet no traces or fragments were found to explain the cause of the explosion. There was no nuclear detonation or known natural disaster that could account for the event. Most scientists believe the explosion was the result of a meteor or comet colliding with Earth's atmosphere, causing a massive airburst. However, no debris or remains of the celestial body were ever discovered, leaving many questions unanswered. Some speculate the explosion might have been the result of a secret scientific experiment at the time, or perhaps an unusual chemical reaction in the atmosphere. Others suggest the blast could have been caused by a mysterious phenomenon involving unknown forces. Despite more than 100 years passing since the incident, this event remains an enigmatic puzzle that scientists have yet to conclusively solve. Now let's conclude this video with Zealandia, the lost continent discovered by scientists in 2017. While we all know that Earth is made up of 7 continents, there is actually a hidden continent beneath the ocean that may have been part of our planet for thousands of years. Zealandia is an ancient continent that once existed above sea level, but was submerged millions of years ago. Today, scientists estimate that Zealandia covered an area of 4.9 million square kilometers, making it larger than Australia. Although it is now underwater, researchers have confirmed that it was once a separate continent in ancient times. How did it disappear? Was it submerged due to deep geological changes? Or did an unknown catastrophe lead to the sinking of this land? Perhaps ancient civilizations once thrived on Zealandia, civilizations we have yet to uncover. Maybe this lost continent held arts and secrets now forgotten. What's astonishing is that Zealandia is a partial continent, with over 93% of its landmass lying beneath the ocean. However, there is evidence suggesting that it was once inhabited in ancient times. Could there have been an ancient civilization on this lost continent? And will future research reveal new secrets? Zealandia remains one of the greatest geological discoveries, but it also presents a major mystery about what really happened to this lost land. These were some of the greatest mysteries that have puzzled humanity throughout history. From enigmatic places to unexplained phenomena, the biggest question remains: will we ever find the answer? If you have an explanation or a theory about any of these mysteries, feel free to share it with us in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I hope this is a successful beginning. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.